Hi kindergartners, it's Mrs. Skowron, and I am outside near my house on a nature walk, and there's a really great sound happening behind me. What I'm going to fill you in on in a little bit. We're going to go on a nature walk and check out signs of spring. Before we left school, we were talking a lot about weather changes and spring and warmer weather, and I thought for our science lesson today it would be super fun to go on a nature walk and explore some of the things that are happening outside with our new seasonal change into spring. So come along and join me as we go on this journey. All right, kindergartners, I don't know if you can all hear this, but listen really carefully. Turn and talk with whoever is sitting next to you. What sound do you think that might be? You can pause the video to talk about it. I am standing next to a really good-sized frog pond, and there are hundreds and hundreds of frogs in front of me. I'm going to see if we can see one in the water right now. Oh, there's one right there. Let's see if I can get a shot of it. I'm going to zoom in. There's a frog! Can you all see that? And there's frogs all over. Oh, there's one that just went under the water right there. Woo! They sound like they're laughing at me. Probably are. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, there's another guy over there. Girl, woo! It's floating. Ooh, he swam away.
Distance 0.00 miles.
So much fun. So those are all the frogs. Let's see if we can go and find another sign of spring. Spring peepers, which are another name for frogs when they first come out from being in their winter's naps. After hibernating for so long, they're all so happy. So now we're going to go on another adventure. Ready?
Is it running?
Oh, check it out. Look what that is. It's a salamander. Ooh, look at it go.
I'm gonna put it back in the water.
Bye. Look at that salamander. Another sign of spring. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. Here's another sign of spring. New green grass growing. See that? So amongst all the old brown grass that has laid buried under snow for the winter, got some new green grass popping through. Sign of spring too.
Go ahead.
So there's another sign of spring. We have buds growing on this plant by this tree in the woods. And also moss is growing down at the bottom. And all of the fresh green stuff is on the top.
Go.
So here's another sign of spring. You can look down, you'll see that all the ice has melted from this brook, and now the water is running freely and quickly. Still really cold, but no more ice. This is probably hard to see, everybody, but over there is a beaver lodge. And they built a dam right there that big giant group of sticks blocking some of the water flow right near it. And we have lots of evidence all around us of where beavers chewed on logs and trees to make the dam. Very cool too. All right, my friends, take a look at this. What do you think that might be? Look at that. Turn and talk with the person sitting next to you about what you think that is. That is what happens to a cattail in the fall. It starts out all brown and feels very velvety and soft, and then it pops, and all of the little tiny fuzzy things have seeds on them, and they blow around in the wind and replant themselves as new cattails among all the wetlands, which is where we are right now. Check out all this scenery. There's water. Pretty cool. There's another sign of spring. We have some skunk cabbage growing up out of the ground. Skunk cabbage loves to grow near bodies of water, especially swamps. And I am near a swamp. It's very, very muddy and grassy. And that's why the skunk cabbage like to grow here. There's some more skunk cabbage. That one's really out. And right where I'm standing, the smell isn't too pleasant, which is why skunk cabbage might be called skunk cabbage. Yuck. But it's cool to look at. So there's some leftover ice on this part of the brook. It hasn't quite melted yet. But then, if you look out here, look how wide the brook is. And then as we get moving this way, you notice there's these sticks underground. And then we have that really cool beaver dam that they probably took a really long time to build. And then pan over here, and the water gets thinner and thinner and thinner, showing you how they blocked that part off. And that is really neat. These beavers worked really hard using their very sharp front teeth. Take down all those tree parts, sticks. Another sign of nature. Alright, friends, these are some really neat amphibians swimming in the water. That's another sign of spring because they're not hibernating. I don't know if you can, I'll zoom in and see if you can see. Ooh, there he goes, look at him. Ooh, he's going so fast. Look at that long tail. Whoa, that's fun. He camouflages with the dirt at the bottom of the pond. Hopefully, other animals won't see him. Very neat. So that's it, kindergartners. I hope you enjoyed going on a nature walk with me and discovering signs of spring. I'll be back with another video soon. I hope you're all doing well and miss you all, and I will see you soon. Bye.